All right, we're going on a no cool call here. We have been on this street, but we have not been to this house before. And the customer said that it was working fine yesterday and not working well today. So let's see what we find out here. Okay, so we went in the house and it's the upstairs unit. We turned it on. Fan came on immediately. So it's very possible something's going on with the outside unit here that's stopping it from, well, that one's putting out nice hot air. This one has the compressor running with no fan. So let's open this up and see if we get lucky and it just needs a capacitor. Let's see what we got. All right, there was one screw in the cover. So let's just check this cap first. And see if this might be the customer's lucky day. Boy, that one is on there pretty good. Two oranges are common, and this hermetic on this old Rheem is purple. Tell you what, that thing is on there good. All right. So fan, now this is a weird capacitor. It's got, all of them have 4 stay-cons on them. I'm going to go from common to fan first. 25, that's always about dead. Let's go from common to hermetic. 37.5, so that tells me that's likely a 40, probably 40 by 5, but let's pull it out and look at it, see if the fan motor will start. All right, so not the normal El Cheapo capacitors that we usually see. I can't remember if Rheem's had these in them. I think somebody's put this in here, but it looks, from the looks of it, to have been a few years at least. See the flag right there. So we're gonna stick one in there and see if it cranks up. Hopefully we don't end up needing the motor. Have not stuck anything in there to see if it was frozen or if it was free. So I'm gonna bring back a long screwdriver just to check that with right quick before I bother. Oh, there's a good stick right there. I could have used it, but just to see if that motor's not stiff or locked up before I bother even trying to put a capacitor in it. But let's see where we can get here. All right, so let's take this long screwdriver. Oh yeah. So there's a pretty good chance this motor will start reading 0 out of the fan side of that capacitor, and it spins really free. So let's try one and see where we get. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, it is up and running. Everything seems to be okay. I will check the amp draw right quick on the motor before I talk to the customer. Now I'm going to offer the customer this cheaper foreign made capacitor, and the difference of a American made capacitor that could possibly last longer, and see what he wants to do. Put this one in here just to see if it'll fire up, and it did. Seems like it's okay. So we're going to find out if he wants to spend not too much more, but a significant amount between a $12 part and a $40 part, or $35, $40 part, whatever. So we'll offer him that option and get him some air going. Okay, so the customer did not want to pay any extra for a USA part. He did not want any servicing done. Really didn't want any cleaning done. Don't even check the Freon unless you think it needs it. I mean, he basically just said it's back running, let it run. Doesn't want to put any money into them, and wants to call me soon to talk about change outs and upgrades and new, better efficiency and all that. You know, they'll say that until they're pushed up in the corner with something broken that's too expensive to fix, and then they'll make a move. And you can't make them. You know, you can't blame them. You sure can't make them, but can't blame them for not upgrading when it's not absolutely necessary. So we're going to collect for the cap and go. Hopefully Brad's not watching and he doesn't shake his finger at me and tell me shame on you for the cap and go. But let's go to the next one. Thanks for watching.